Friend, my name is Tarun and today I'm going to explain 4 more functions of time and date related. These functions are Workday, Datedif and today converting time into minutes. Let's start with the Workday function. Workday function is used to calculate past or present date on the basis of start date and specified number of days. This function by default excludes weekends like Saturday and Sunday, and we can also specify a list of holidays which this function can exclude. So let's start with this function. Here I have order date and delivery dates. So what I have to find is the delivery date. So let's start with this. This function has 3 components like start date. This is work day, not work days. Okay, so this function has 3 components. First one is start date, then days, and then holidays. Okay, let's start with this. My start date is this one, and suppose delivery time is 7 days, and I'm not specifying holidays here, I'm specifying just 0 here. If I specify 0, then it will by default exclude Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so let's see the result. So it gives me a date of 12th Feb, which means it has excluded Saturday and Sunday in between start date and end date. Okay, let's move on further. Here again I have the same data wherein there is order date and delivery date days, and I have to find the delivery date considering this list of holidays as well. Okay, in the previous example I didn't include the list of holiday, I just specified 0 instead of holiday, so it excluded only Saturday and Sunday. But when I will specify this list of holiday, it will exclude not only these holidays, but also it will exclude Saturday and Sunday. Let's see. This is my start date and this is delivery days, and then I have to specify this list of holidays, closing the bracket. So it gives me this date. Okay, when I specify a list of holidays, it excludes 2 things. Okay, first one is the list of holidays, second one is the weekend, like Saturday and Sunday. So this is how Workday function works. And moving on further, Datedif. This function calculates the difference between 2 dates. It can show the result in weeks. It can show the result in days, month or year. It can show the result in days, month or year. So let's see how to find the difference between 2 dates in days, months and year. Datedif. It has 3 components. First one will be start date, second one will be end date, and third one will be the format in which you want the number of days. Like if you want number of days, then you will have to specify D. If you want number of months, if you want the difference in number of months, then you will have to specify M. And if you want the difference in year, then you will have to specify Y. Let's see how. This is my start date and then I am taking end date, and now in inverted commas I am specifying days, and for days I will specify D, and I am closing inverted comma and then I am done. So it gives me days between these 2 dates. Okay, So here I find the difference of two dates in days. Now if I have to find the difference of two dates in months, then how I will use this function? Start date, end date, then inverted commas, then I will specify M for months. I will close inverted comma. It will show me a difference of two dates in months. Okay. Now I have to find the difference of two dates in year. How I can do so? Same method, start, and the only thing is changing is month, days and year. For year I will use Y and closing inverted comma, then enter. So this is how it's showing me difference between two dates in three different formats. First one is in days, second one is in month, and third one is in year. Very useful function. Let's move on. Converting time into minutes. Okay, this is very important thing to know. If you know this thing, and I'm sure that you will be able to convert time into minutes. So how to do so? In order to convert time into minutes, you simply need to multiply that time with 1440. I will simply multiply time with 1440. So this is how it gives me time in minutes. 645. If we calculate 645 in minutes, it will be 405 minutes. If we calculate 953 in minutes, then it will be 593 minutes. If we calculate 1425 into minutes, then it will be 865 minutes. And I hope you understand this function. Let's move on today. This function returns today date, like now function. Now function return today's date along with the time, but this function return only today's date. Okay, this is the difference between now and today. And let's see how to use it. Here I have to find today's date, so I will simply use this function today, then enter. This is how it's showing me today's date. Let's look at this question. Find the difference between 25th April 2020 and today's date. How we can do so? Let's see this. Today minus this date. So this shows me a difference of 10 days. Today is 5th of May, and the difference between 5th of May and 25th of April is 10 days. So this function is very accurate. This is how today function works. So what we learned today? We learn four functions today. First one is Workday, second one is Datedif, third one is converting time into minutes, and fourth one is today. So here we are ending time and date related functions. So this was the last part of this topic. So I hope you like the learning of today.